Hi, welcome to the Ohio Computer-Based Assessment video tutorials. This first tutorial will just give you an overview of the site and the portal where you can access the practice test for Ohio's new online tests. The address for this website is oh.portal.airast.org/OCBA. And that will take you to this portal page where there's several links and resources. The two that I want to make sure that you're aware of are the secure browser tab over here on the right. You need to check that to make sure that the browser that you're using is compliant with the testing platform. They give you a list of browsers. If you click on that, it kind of tells you what browsers are supported and what platforms that you might be working on, whether it's a Windows or a Mac. So that is something that you probably need to check, because there has been some issues where if you do not have a supported browser, you'll be unable to view the practice test. And then, of course, the practice test tab takes you to a login page. That login page is really kind of static because it is just a guest page. In a real testing scenario, students would put in their name and student ID, and then they would sign in. But here you just have to put your yes, that you're a guest. And then it comes to this page and it says, is this you? And obviously we are a guest, but you have to select a grade, and this sometimes is overlooked. We can select any of these grade levels where there is a test. So we will click 4th grade and then yes, and that will take you to the two available practice tests for that grade level. And you'll see here that it's social studies and an end of year and a performance-based assessment. So these you can then click on and allow you to go through that practice test. We're not going to do that in this tutorial. We'll actually look at the different tutorials in future tutorial sessions. So if we go back into login and it says yes I do, what I want to do is I want to show you again, it's the high school level. There is end of course exams. So here your American government, American history, physical science. So these are all practice end of course exams, which will be very helpful for students and teachers to go through to see what kind of interfaces and what kind of questions they might be encountering on those tests. So this is the practice site for Ohio's online testing platform. We will have other tutorials over this platform with the specific tests, so be looking for those tutorials in the future. Thanks.